Oh, hello. Wow. Wow. What's that say? Take care of your skin, take care of your family, take care of your people, take care of our planet. Pharrell. Bam. ABC. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Step 1. Rice powder cleanser. This guy. Little powdery substance. Okay, this is kind of nice. Oh, all right. Take this little sticker. 1. Oh, that was fun. 2. I'm gonna do 2. We're gonna start with 2. We're gonna kind of dab this baby over, around, anywhere, and ooh, okay. I'm feeling something here. Kind of a light tingliness, maybe around my forehead area. I think anywhere that you exfoliated and maybe got into the skin or in your pores. It's definitely doing something. I'm trying to look like 20 when I'm 40. Look at that. Do you see this perfectly alfalfa looking? Do you see this? Do you see this? Wow. This might be the nicest part of it so far, I think. Oh, wow. All right. Immediately, I can tell you this lotion cream is amazing. That is incredible. Wow. I'm gonna use this all for, I think, maybe 2 weeks or a month, and I'll make another video and just kind of talk about it a little bit more in depth of what I think about it. Is it really worth it? So far, I say yes, 100%. This, no joke, is the best lotion that I think I've ever touched or used. I'm gonna redo this unboxing now because I feel like I fucked it up.